Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a TikTok stream key for Streamlabs. Now, the first thing I want you to do is come to the bottom right and click on your profile icon, okay? And this will lead you to your profile. Now there are some eligibility criteria. First of all, you need to have at least 1,000 followers to do this. And the other thing you need is to have live stream capabilities enabled. Now, if you do, that's perfectly fine. All you need to do is click on the plus icon right here. And then I want you to just swipe to the left until you find the live feature. Now, once you find the live stream feature, I want you to click on a gear cog you'll see right here. Click on that gear cog and you'll see your details, including your stream key for TikTok that you can use in Streamlabs. It's really that easy and simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.